Good morning, everyone. This is Shauna, the Tax Goddess, and I am here today with two big pieces of news that have just recently come out from the IRS. Now, the first one is all of our clients in California. There were some severe floods in California, and the IRS is giving you guys an extension of time to file. So just like we had last year, where you guys had some additional time to submit payments and submit tax returns, this kind of thing. So instead of April 15th, you are now June 17th. Now, this is only for affected individuals and businesses. So you do need to check the FEMA website to determine whether or not you are affected or not. But this is individuals and households that reside or have a business in San Diego County that qualify for tax relief. Now, the IRS has also postponed. Good morning, guys. I need a little more coffee. Anyway, has postponed not only the payment of tax returns, but also the filing of tax returns. And that is going to include, of course, contributions of IRAs, contributions to HSAs, quarterly payroll and excise taxes that were due on January 31st and April 30th, calendar year partnership and S-corp returns that were normally due on March 15th, individual, corporation, and fiduciary returns and payments that were due on April 15th, and calendar year tax-exempt organizations that were normally due on May 15th. Now, the IRS urges anyone who needs an additional tax filing beyond 17th, of course, to request the extension before April 15th. So the IRS still wants your extensions on or before the same day that they normally want your extensions, April 15th. So just make sure that you get those filed. Now, secondly, we have an entirely different subject, and this is, I don't want to say a first for the IRS, but it certainly doesn't shock me any. Now, the IRS, about a year and a half ago, the IRS had published saying, we don't have any bandwidth to audit anyone making less than $1 million. A lot of people went, yay, we're not getting audited, okay? Now, the IRS got a mandate from the federal government about 3-4 months ago saying, hey, we need you to up revenues. We've been printing money, right? COVID. Government's been printing money. We need you to up the revenues. And in order to do that, we need you to up the audits. IRS said, well, we'd love to. We're still trying to hire. We don't have enough bandwidth to really do that. So I thought this was a fascinating piece of news that said that the IRS has actually hired some private sector experts, specifically in cryptocurrency, to help with the oversight. Now, if the government's trying to raise revenue, why would they be increasing the oversight on cryptocurrency? And it's because we're seeing case after case after case of people who maybe unintentionally, maybe intentionally, I don't know what to say here, but either way, they are not reporting their cryptocurrency gains and therefore not paying tax on their cryptocurrency gains. So one of the things that I would highly recommend is that if you have cryptocurrency, if you bought cryptocurrency, if you're selling cryptocurrency, if you're doing anything with cryptocurrency, you must be working with a CPA, a tax filing CPA that knows how to properly report that on the tax return. There's certain check boxes. It's in multiple locations. You really must be reporting that on the return. The IRS is going after cryptocurrency people in depth, in massive detail. And especially now that they've hired private sector experts, right? We want to make sure we're reporting these things properly. Now, for those of you that have cryptocurrency, you've sold cryptocurrency, you reported it, hopefully reported everything properly on your tax return, but you're looking for some tax strategies, right? Maybe you sold some this year and you really would like to not have to pay tax on as much as you sold, okay, as much of the gain as you've sold. Reach out to us. That's what we do here at Tax Goddess. We specialize in legally reducing your tax on income that you've earned. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the team and I, taxgoddess.com. We're super easy to find. And in the meantime, I hope you guys have an absolutely wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.